So this ground state electronic degeneracy in octahedral complexes occurs when either the T2G or EG orbitals are unsymmetrically filled. Okay, in the +4 oxidation state, we can see that both these electrons should be gone and it should have 3d 0. So the d orbitals are completely empty. Now in the +2 oxidation state, it should have 3d 2 4s0. So in titanium +4, since the d orbitals are completely empty, so there is no question of degeneracy. Now for Fe +2, in the +2 oxidation state, it will be 3d6 4s0, right? In the +3 oxidation state, manganese will be 3d4 4s0. Now in option B, you can see that iron is linked to CN, cyano, which is a very strong field ligand. So when we arrange these electrons in the T2G and EG orbitals, in case of FeCN6, these will be low spin complex. All the 6 electrons will be accommodated in the T2G orbital itself and EG will be empty. T2G is completely filled, so there is no question of degeneracy in FeCN6 4 minus. For Mn+3, manganese. In manganese, we have D4 configuration. So D4 configuration with strong field ligand. So first singly filled T2G orbital and then pairing with one of the T2G electrons. So we have this T2G4 configuration, and this one is unsymmetrically filled for the MnCN6 3 minus. Degeneracy occurs here, but since the degeneracy does not happen in both of these complexes, so this option is also eliminated. Now in option C, we have titanium H2O2 plus, which will show, we have seen this, it will show electronic degeneracy. MnCN6 3 minus, we just saw, this will also show electronic degeneracy because Mn is in the +3 oxidation state with a T2G4 electronic configuration. For titanium +2, T2G2, again an unsymmetrically filled T2G. So in option B also we saw FeCN6 4 minus does not show electronic degeneracy. TiF6 2 minus, in option A also we saw that it does not show electronic degeneracy. So overall option C has two complexes, titanium H2O2 plus and MnCN6 3 minus. Both of these show electronic degeneracy because titanium has T2G2 electronic configuration, which is unsymmetrically filled T2G orbital, and Mn+3 shows T2G4 electronic configuration, which has unsymmetrically filled T2G orbital with a strong field ligand.